Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to discuss the SSC CHSL mock, which was just held in the last few days. Now, before I start, I have some things to share with you, and I have some things to tell you, which will clarify a lot of your doubts, a lot of your feedbacks which I have been getting recently, right? But before that, first and foremost, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all you wonderful students, audience who has, put their trust in a platform like Oliveboard. And with the result of same, we have crossed 25 million users across all our platforms, right? And in lieu of the same, Oliveboard is providing 55% flat discount on all SSC subscriptions. They can be full length, your mock test series, or you can go for live courses or practice courses or notes, anything, whatever you want. Whatever purchase you make with Oliveboard today, this ends tonight, right? So you can go ahead and utilize this benefit for yourself. This is 25 million. 25M is the code which you need to use. 55% off. Now, my question to you is how you can use it. What you can do with it for SSC. So as far as SSC is concerned, if I tell you about the courses, right now, we will be running the Tier 1, Tier 2 crash course. This is starting from 26th May onwards. Tier 1, Tier 2 complete crash course. Now, this combo course, actually I have started thinking that the students who you will surely clear Tier 2 as well. So your preparation will be a 2-tier preparation. That is, we will be gearing you up for both Tier 1 and Tier 2 specifically in the same course. And everything will be covered and taken care of here, right? So all the aspects, all the topics, all the type of questions, all variations, everything will be taken care of in this course. You can go ahead and subscribe to this course, or even better is if you subscribe to the super elite subscription, right? This is lesser than the cost of 2 courses, and now it will get even further less because of the 55% discount. This will be an additional edition which will be there in your courses. The edition of, I would rather say, so this Think Like AIR1 mock solving series with SSC CHSL AIR1 will also be enabled for you automatically free of cost once you go for the SSC Super Elite subscription. So check this out as well. This is very valuable information. Now, point number 2. Let's start our test here. I'll start it in front of you only, CHSL. And we will start the live test here. Solution analysis, view solutions, and we will start with our section. Our section is reasoning, so we'll start with question number 26. Okay, that's it. We are ready. But before I start here, now I have something else to share with you. Okay, some other information I need to give you. Point number 1, I have received feedback from all of you. I just rewent through all my recent videos and of mock explanations and other videos on the channel, and I have received feedback from the students that I have shared this with you in the yesterday's session also. 2 important issues which you guys are facing is, number 1, there was a voice problem. I think that has been rectified. The mic settings have been changed so that now you will be listening to my voice with more clarity. And the other issue, a lot of students are telling me that they can't see the question. So this here right now, I have opened this in my mobile phone. Okay, close the chat bar. So this is open in my phone, the YouTube video right now which is running live. So obviously you can see that effect here. You can just pinch zoom. Once you pinch zoom, you can see this question clearly while I am solving it here. Okay, this facility is there in YouTube, and if you want to watch it with chats, that is also enabled if the chat box is open like this in the landscape mode or the portrait mode. You can zoom it here also. In this case also you will be able to zoom it. Cool. So you will be able to visualize it clearly. So check that so that all your queries and etc. are taken care of. See, my purpose here is we are all here for you. So we want to stand for you, and whatever issues you face, we want to rectify that as soon as possible. Okay. So I am very glad and I am very thankful to all of you that you have entrusted, you have put your trust into us, and we'll make sure that we give you full benefits on that. Now let's start with the question. So this is the very first question. They're asking you which cube can be formed after folding this chart. What we know is that this here, the longest lines or two lines here, circle will be opposite to star. Okay, here the triangle will be opposite to the hexagon, and here the rhombus will be opposite to the square. Obviously they are shaded, and rhombus is also shaded. Cool. Now your cube, whichever will be formed only if it is taking one face from each level. So the very first option, triangle, star and circle. Circle and star cannot come together, so this cannot be formed. Okay. Now if one cannot be formed, you can also observe it now simultaneously only. Star, rhombus, hexagon, yes, can be formed. So square and triangle can be formed, and hexagon, square cannot be formed. So only 2 and 3 can be formed, which is option D. Okay. Next, question number 27. Now all the letters of the words air and fighter, you can put your answers in the chat box simultaneously. Okay. I am also looking at your answers. Yes, Naveen. So all the letters of the words air and fighter are combined and arranged in alphabetical order. So we'll start with A. The next one here will be E. Okay. The next one after A and E is F. Then we have two I's. No, sorry. Then we have G. Then we have H. Then we have two I's. R and T. Correct? A-I-R, F-I-G-H-T-E-R. No, we are missing something. What are we missing? Oh, there are double R's. Sorry. Now, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical series between the letter which is third from the left and the one which is fourth from the right? So this is 9, this is 6. 9 minus 6 minus 1, this is equal to 2. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Simple word analogy. Teacher is related to school. So teacher teaches at a school. Similarly, chef, pilot operates in a cockpit, not airport. Driver operates in a car, cabin of a car, not a garage. Soldier, army. Chef, restaurant. I think chef, restaurant or chef, kitchen should have been the correct answer rather. What do you think? I feel option B is the most correct answer here. Yes. Okay. So the analogy has to be very close here. See, pilot works actually in a cockpit. The place of work of a pilot is a cockpit. Okay. For teacher, it's a school. For pilot, airport, driver, garage, soldier, army are not related in the same way. But it is very close. Next. Read this question carefully. You will be able to understand what exactly is happening here. Okay. If you see, always remember baker, A-K-E-R-B, K-E-R-B-A. They are all the same letters. All letters are same, they are just being shuffled. And if you look at the codes now, they are all corresponding codes. So B-A-K-E-R. Then we have B here, A-K-E-R. It's still working the same. So now you know for sure what exactly is happening. They want R-A-B-E-K. So R is starting with 8, A is starting with 3. 8, 3, 1. We have only one option. So option A is the correct answer. It's all about your presence of mind. How soon can you pick up your questions and solve them? Pick up your logics and solve them. Zoom into the question and observe. If P means division, Q means multiplication. P means division, Q means multiplication, R means subtraction, and S means addition. So we'll have 24 plus 8 multiplied by 3 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 5 minus 4. So this is 24 plus 8, 32 into 2, 64 divided by 2 is 32. 32 plus 1, 33. Option B is the right answer. Next, question number 31, that is 6th. 4 is related to 60. The first thing which comes to your mind is 4 into 15 is 60. 5 is related to 120. Obviously, then the relation does not exist. What exactly is happening here is 5 cube minus 5 and 4 cube minus 4. So, how will 7 be? 7 will be related to what? So, 7 cube minus 7. 343 minus 7 will be 336, which is option B. Common logic. Next. Plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Do you think that is true? Plus 3 plus 3. Yes, the same thing is working here. So just look at the logic. Okay. So this is plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. So for sting we need to go plus 3. So 19 plus 3 is 22. Then next is VR, no need to check. K and J, check for that. So next is plus 1. So we have I plus 1 J. So option D should be the correct answer. Six persons are seated around a circular table. And if nothing is given, they are facing the center. Okay. N is immediate neighbor of both K and L. M sits opposite to N. Okay. Let's place N here. So M sits opposite to N and N is immediate neighbor of K, L and are sitting here. K and O are not adjacent to each other. Now see, if K was sitting here, so O would have sit, O would be here. So K1, O1. That's the only possibility because K and L are the neighbors. If this was L2, this was K2, then O2 would be sitting here. Now the question is, who sits immediate right of M? It can be either, if it was O1, then P1 would be sitting here. And if it is O2, then P2 would be sitting here. So it can be either P or O. We are not sure. Because we are not sure of the position of K and L, we are not sure of the position of P and O. So option C should be technically the correct answer. 33, 34. Number set 3, 8, 67, 9, 11, 130. See, if you remember your numbers very clearly, the special numbers n square plus n, it will be very easy for you. See, this is 11 square is 121 plus 9 is 130. 64 plus 3 is 67. Instantly you will get to know. Okay. So 4 square 16 plus 5, no. 9 square 81 plus 6, this works. So option B is the right answer. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So minus 20 should be the next answer, that is 40 and minus 25. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. So we'll have starting with U and 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. So USM. Option C is the right answer. Okay. If a statement family has 5 members is true, then which of the following statement is true in X22G? X22G. X is the spouse of G. G77T. G is the father of T. So X is definitely the mother. T11R. T11R means T is the brother of R. And R88Y. R88Y means R is the sister-in-law of Y. So R is the sister-in-law of Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Family has 5 members is true. This is how it is. Now the question asks, G is the aunt of T? No, not at all. X is the father of Y? No. Y is the daughter-in-law of G? Yes, correct. R is the sister of X? No, not at all. So option C is the right answer. They'll just try to twist it somehow or the other, but actually it is not so twisted. Next. Plus 2 plus 7 plus 12. Is there a logic? Plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so 17 should be the next answer. 17, 9, 96. Okay, and 96 and 118. 22. Yes, correct. Option D is the right answer. What exactly is happening is the difference between them is increasing by 5. So 58 and 60, the difference was 2. 60, 67, difference is 7. 67, this, the difference is 12. Difference in itself, double difference is increasing by 5. So next one had to be 17. If you add 17 to 79, you get 96. So option D is the correct answer. Cool. Next. See, a lot of times I don't write each solution down because my idea is to discuss this with you. Okay. So my idea, how I was planning these sessions was that I was very fast, very quick, and I was telling you this is what is happening. Let's move on to the next one. But I think a lot of students are facing that disconnect and they are not liking this. So that is why I am going slow and I am taking my patience and time to explain everything to you. Okay. Some forceful is dominant. Some forceful is dominant. Some minor is major. Okay. All dominant is major. This is major and some minor is major. No minor is forceful. No, we cannot conclude that. And all minor is forceful. We cannot conclude that. But we cannot give either or also, because all and no will never give either or. It will be all and some not, or some and no. So neither one nor two follow will be the correct answer, which is option D. Next. Okay. So 6 plus means into 12. Divide means plus 34. Minus means divide 17. Into means minus 14. This is 2. This is 72. 72 plus 2 minus 14. So 72 minus 12 is 60. Option C is the right answer. Number of triangles in the given figure. Okay, let's see. We pick this one out. 3. This right here will give us 5. Then we have this one here. Then we have this one here, which we did not count. What else have we missed? This one we have missed. So this is the one. And the main triangle here. Oh, see, obviously we know the answer. If we have found out 11, we can see there is only one possibility here. So this is 12 triangles. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Next. Correct water image. So white on the top, black on the top. Not one. Not, this is not a correct one. We'll just keep on eliminating. Okay. White, black, this is possibly impossible. Now, what is different out here? So this triangle, they are pointing upwards, they'll point downwards here, not sideways. This is also gone. Figure 2 is the correct answer. Can't get simpler than this, guys. Next, question number 18. Okay, paper cutting and folding. So I think the cut is incorrectly mentioned here, no? This fold should have been this way. So this will give you the triangles, double triangles like this here. And we have 2 circles. So 4 will be there. And 4 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think figure 3 is the perfect depiction. Okay. Question figure should be hidden or embedded. Okay, let's observe. This is a longer rectangle, but okay, this is going here. Not happening. Not happening. I think it's in figure 4. It's here in this half. Next. Mirror image, G will flip, flipped, 1 will flip, flipped. This is slant like this, so it will go slant like this. So this is gone and this is also gone. Ampersand flips, L flips, T will flip like this. So this will not be the possible answer. Option 1 is the, figure 1 is the correct answer, which is option C. Next. Okay, arrow, arrow. Hexagon, hexagon. We're just flipping the figure inside it. Pentagon, pentagon. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines, 6 lines, 5 lines, 4 lines. This cannot be possible, same orientation. This cannot be possible, same orientation. It has to be either 2 or 3. Now the external figure is straight, the internal figure is what is moving. So technically, but I think 2 is fitting the bill. What do you think? I think 2 is fitting the bill. No, 3 is fitting the bill. How can that be possible? Okay, this is north, this is 90° east. But this is side and vertex, is it? Side and vertex. No. This question will have to be studied. I don't think this is the correct order. Let's check this again, okay? As of now, next. Find the odd one out. So 4, 3, 5 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 19, 18 minus 1 18, 21 plus 3. So option C is the right answer. Next, B C D A B C D A B B B C D A B C B C dash D A. No, that's not working. A dash B C dash A B A B B C D A B B C D A B C D D C D. Something is not working here. B C dash D A D A B C dash D D A B B dash D. Can we have A B B C D A B C D D D? So second letter should be B, third letter should be D. It's here, option C. A B D C C D. Okay, double A B C D, A B B C D, A B double C D, A B C double D. Good question. Option C is the correct answer. Next. Which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Okay, first of all, check whether it is going or not. I think 129 is not divisible by 11. So this has to be changed. Okay. And 209, I think 209 is also not divisible, is it? But if we clearly observe, 43 into 3 is 129 and 9 plus 2, 11. So 209 is divisible by 11. Why don't we change these two? It becomes simple. So 209 divided by 11. 11, 19. And 129 divided by 43 is 3. 19 into 3 is 57. Plus 3 minus 4 into 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is 32. So minus 29, 57 minus 29 is 28. Yes, option B is the right answer. 11 and 43. Always check what is wrong. The division sign is going to help you a lot. PQQ, SPQ, PQ dash RS. PPQRS. PQQRS, PQQRS. Oh, this is PQQRS only, I think. PQQRS, 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 PRQ, PRQSQQ, PRQS. Oh, this is R, sorry. PRQSRQ. Yes, this is right. Okay, that's it. So that was the end of discussion of the SSC CHSL mock, right? So my idea is to go to slow down a bit to solve each question, and a lot of times I also discuss with myself. Now I'll tell you, I want to clear everything out. You know, a lot of students are getting a hint that I'm not here for them. I'm here for all of you. I love to be a part of this. I love to teach my students. I love to stand for them as much as possible. Right? I would love to share my details, contact details also in future. I'll take the permission of my seniors and do that here, so that in future you can stay connected with me also directly. Okay? Don't worry. We are all here to support you no matter in whatever way we can. And my idea, I'll tell you my thought process behind these sessions. When I had started these sessions, my thought process was that everybody comes and explains it normally. So then the fun dies, you know. My point was I want to solve it like a student. I'll trust me, I have not seen a single question till now. When I'm discussing these mocks, a lot of time you must have seen me that I also get trapped and then I leave that question and move ahead. So the idea is not to come here and blabber solutions in front of you. The idea is that you can do yourself also. The idea is for me to solve it like a student. So sometimes I start talking to myself and I do that loudly so that you know what I'm thinking and how I'm getting to the solution. That was the idea behind these sessions. Hopefully you catch on to it and hopefully you like this idea. If you don't want me to continue like this, you can let me know. Give me feedback as much as possible. Keep giving me feedback. Like artificial intelligence, I'll also pick up on the feedback and improve. Okay. So on that note, I'll end the session here. But don't forget, the 25 million sale is live. And this is just a gesture, our way of thanking you for whatever you have done for us. So go ahead and take that 55% discount and subscribe to the Tier 1, Tier 2 combo course right away. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye bye, namaskar, Jai Hind. I'll be waiting for your comments. Take care.